Hello again, everyone. Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up report for Robert in Louisiana on the Ranger X9. Robert, got it ready to go for you, bud. Tune alignment. Seeing a whole lot of these type of radios. We got the X9, we got the 99N2 and the 99N4, all with the same basic features up front here. Pick your color, pick your pleasure. Talk back, dim, RF power, nice echo, got it all. Alright, Robert, RF power all the way down, 100 watt slug. Get you set about 1.5 watts. That way, if you decide to run an amp, you have full adjustability. And 21 watts all the way up. I'll show you average power swing. Low, low, low. About 65 bird. 250 watt slug in PEP. Hello, 1, 2, 3. Alrighty, let's roll the carrier all the way down. 100 watt slug. 250 watt scale. Hello, hello, hello. 1, 2 audio. And there it is. Alright, Robert's ready to come to you, bud. I hope you enjoy it. I'm your friend Truck at www.truckscbsales.com. Bump, bump.